Guys, it's Rainbow Johnny in this bitch. Okay, we all know I love a sun-kissed look. I have my foundation, a little bit of concealer, bronzer. My skin is dry as fuck. Probably from sun tanning, which I never do because I don't want to look disgusting. But that's the only time I get to leave my fucking house is working out and tanning. So here we go for a Scott Barnes makeup review. Oh my god, my battery's low and I gotta do this video. Okay, first things first, I need a charger, but let's talk about the packaging. Okay, this is Scott Barnes Cosmetics. For those of you who don't know him, can I talk today, please? He is J-Lo's makeup artist, and he is like king of the glow. And I'm about to be queen of the motherfucking glow with Entitled Beauty. So, Scott, watch out, bitch. Just kidding. But for real, this is his mascara. I got a cheek palette and the eye palette. So we are gonna do a quick little review and see how we like it. Okay, so this is the Natural eyeshadow palette. So let's see the colors. Oh, how cute. He has a little thing in the mirror that says, be the most beautiful version of yourself. Oh my god, this corona is getting to my brain. I'm not even in the mood to film. But I need to. Cannot. Okay. Look at these gorge colors. Can y'all see them? Or is it too bright in this bitch? We have Angelic, which is a white with, looks like a pink duochrome. These are gorgeous. Oh my god, I love Siren. It's like a copper, which would look great on my blue eyes. Vintage is like, looks like an incredible base coat. Oh my god. And then if we wanted to get crazy, we have these shimmers down here. Nightcap in Hollywood. Boudoir. Oh, it's like a mauvey red gorge. Obsessed. So this is the Natural palette. Okay, let's swatch a few. Sorry, I have my nachos here because they came. Rude. Okay. We're gonna do Vintage first. Oh my god, they are kind of creamy, y'all. Let's see. Ooh, that's pretty. So it's a very natural. It blends really nicely, actually. And then we'll go into something, a darker matte that he has. Let's do Boudoir because I really want to see this one. Okay, I'm gonna go in again. Okay, this one is buildable. I cannot talk today. Yeah, that's really pretty. It seems a little tad streaky, but I think it'll be very gorgeous on because I don't need that to be super pigmented. Okay, let's go into the shimmers. So let's do Siren. Oh, see, these are iconic. I can already tell. Beautiful. Like that, I'm obsessed with. Great job. Hollywood. Who doesn't love a gold bitch? Also iconic and blends really nicely. And the shimmer is very fine, so it's not gonna look like chunks of glitter on your face, which is great. And we all wanna see how the black does always in the palette because we just do. And I'll say it performs pretty well. It's creamy. It's blending really nicely and makes a smoke. And this is just like one little dip, you guys. The reds are always hard to do. I did notice I have to dip twice into that one, but all the others are pretty iconic. And there's obviously more shades that I haven't touched, so let's dig in. So the first color I'm digging into is Vintage. Let's see. I'm gonna try to do this for you guys. pretty much, I would wear this and just leave the house because it's like the perfect nude eyeshadow. My fucking hair. I cannot. Just packing this on. And I like what I see so far. I know you guys probably can't tell because my lights are fucking bright. But you know what? This is what you get during the coronavirus, so please enjoy this entertainment. Okay. So that's packed on. That's an incredible base color for my blue eyes, bitch. Stop. And I hate my hooded eyes. Ooh. Okay. So now I'm gonna dip into Foxy and kind of start to smoke out the sides. Foxy is this color. I'm using the same brush because I'm going light to dark. If I was doing it the other way, I would recommend using different brushes. So this I'm just patting on my corner. I mean, you can already see the smoke. It's hard to see in my, okay, there we go. Hooded eye tutorial. That is Foxy. Soup's cute. This is the best, like, everyday makeup palette I think I've put my hands on. And you can go from day to night real quick with this. So I'm using my Makeup by Mario fluffy brush. His eye brushes are sickening. We'll shout him out. Okay. So it's like subtle smoke, but it's so beautiful, you guys. The colors are, I'm gonna say, like blending so well together that it's like the transitions in between are like perfect. Like I don't have to. Now I'm just bringing the same shade Foxy I used to smoke out down on my lower lash line to connect. And yeah. That's a beautiful shade, you guys. And I hate doing my eye makeup because you can't really see it normally. So I'm gonna do the other side. This is the side I don't really want you guys to focus on because you can actually see. It just sort of connects the look. And we'll clean up. Next I'm dipping into Boudoir, which is that like red fall mauve tone. And again, we are just adding it more to the center. Ooh, see, then that's pigmented with a brush, y'all. Like extremely pigmented. See, it was better than using my hand, absolutely. So I'm just putting this color like halfway. Give me a little more pop with my blue eye. Next, I'm gonna take Saucy up here with my finger and just add it to the inner corner of the lid and drag it out. Fingers always work better with shimmers. I love this. I love it. Scott, I should have bought this sooner, I'm sorry. Sorry, you can't see the side, but yeah. We'll get closer. Look how beautiful these colors are. Okay, do I want to add any more? Let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna try to add laced now. just on the inner corner, which is this gold color, to really open up my eye. I'm definitely taking this palette with me to the wedding I have, hands down. They really do blend like a dream. And that's on the inner corner, laced. I'm back. Okay, but I was gonna do lashes, but first let's do the pumped up mascara to see how it be finishing. Okay. Oh, that sound. That's how you know it's fresh, bitch. Stop it. This brush separates no clumping, you guys. Like, none. Oh my god. Stop it. So, here's my eye without, and here's with the mascara. This is sickening. Okay, I need more of these immediately. My mom's gonna die because she's obsessed with mascara. That was close to getting it on my motherfucking face. Why is it harder to do this? I always like, come on. Get it together, y'all. Oh my god. Okay, if you're gonna purchase anything right now, you need this mascara. Like, are you fucking kidding? And the second coat is like, so that's the Pump It Up mascara. Chic chic. We're gonna play with this palette and see. It's cute. It has pink letters instead of gold. Oh, and it says my colors are blush and bashful. I love the packaging, the white and the gold. I mean, who doesn't love that? So this looks like highlighters, glowy and showy. And then these are like the 6 different cheek colors. And I feel like this would work on a lot of different skin tones. And I love me some orange corally blushes. So let's go. Let's go, damn it. I'm gonna use my bronzer blush because brush. I'm gonna do Strike a Rose and Sweet Cheeks. A little bit of both. It's subtle, but pigmented. I didn't dip in that much. Ooh, she's cute, you guys. Yes. I'm gonna go in with Strike a Rose a little more. And then buff her out. Beautiful. I don't think you'll need another blush palette in your kit if you get this. And look at this mango color. Like, that will look so good on Latina. My Latina peeps. And this Crush and Blush is gonna And even the rosé will probably bounce off my boogie down brown girls. So I'm gonna go in with this lighter highlighter and see how she goes. Do I want this one? Ooh, she's pretty. I'm gonna use my Fenty highlighter brush to really get my cheekbones. Okay. Oh my God. Blinding. He is the king of glow, bitch. Stop it. I like to use that brush and then I like to buff it out because I like a more natch, and that is extreme pigmentation, y'all. I mean, that is a wet look, but I'm here for it 110,000%. That's a good highlighter. It's very similar to mine called Blow from my line Entitled Beauty. This one's a little more champagne-y colored. I mean, he's not called the Glow King for no reason. I'm gonna take this down on my nose a little because I don't like it that much on my nose. What do you think? Alright, you guys, that's a wrap. Use code Johnny on scottbarnescosmetics.com for 20% off of your purchases. I don't think the lips are included because they're new, but this is definitely included. You can get, it's called the Holy Grail, which has all 3 in it, and you can get the discount off of that. So use code Johnny and also support my own line at the same time. I don't ask too much, do I? And since my lips are cracking from the sun burn, ow, I think I just pulled a muscle in my butt. Housewife Glamsurious Gloss from my line.